the tantalizing taste, which is beckoned by the current weather. Situation. Hi, my name is James Diego. Again, Kentucky Blue. Thinking of you. Hi world, this is James Diego from the Renton area. I am going to eat some good foods for you. Let's talk about our passions. These delicious entrees. Wow, it's a gen burrito. Truly a sumptuous rolled North American delicacy. It graces the tortilla shell with chorizo sausages and potatoes. These round-ended flavors are blended with cheeses and what I seem to be quite hot crystal condiment. Scrumptious. Now that should just fill your belly to the utmost gain. But wait, there's more. Sugar-free energy drink, refreshment flavors. The great Red Bull. Yes, the tantalizing taste, which is the beckoning